Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back doing another live trade. The live trade was put in and completed on today's date, which is February the 26th. What I ended up doing was I was checking the meter, and as you can see on the meter, the pound is strong, and in real time the CAD was much weaker, so we're buying the CAD. Matter of fact, all the pound pairs going up, and we were selling the CAD as it was much weaker. So on the pound CAD here, I took the trade right at this time. I had a few distractions today, but I took the trade right here on this cursor, and it did hit my 40 pip target, which was right here, 40 pips, as you can see down in green here. But I was not looking at the charts, and I was following the rules of my pip trigger. Had to leave a little bit bigger stop, and I was talking to two traders from different areas. Was picking up the pip trigger, and I was really distracted. But I knew that the pound pairs were going to go back up, as the way I teach in the training videos, from the higher time frames. So I was very glad for that. And as you can see, with the 40 pip target, it gave me over $3,000, as you can see down here at the bottom right side. This was the only trade I've done today so far, and it'll be the only trade I'm doing. I would have done the London close here, because it was well over 100 pips here. Could have easily grabbed some pips on the way down. In this area right here is about 50 pips pullback. But I just finished with the guy 10 minutes ago, so I already missed the move back down. So that's okay, it's not a big deal. Trade when I'm available to trade, and make myself available to helping other traders, and I was helping to set up the pip trigger on their computer, so I was quite busy this morning. So anyhow, if your trading is not producing to your liking, and you want to know more about the pip trigger, just look right below this video, and you will see a write-up according to, very similar to this Word doc right here. I do charge $250 for the pip trigger full package, and you will get an exact copy of my platform. It'll look exactly like this. And there are 12 versions of my pip trigger. They all come with training and education, with a lot of videos. There's actually at the moment more than 352. I've been doing some advanced training. As the very first one at the top here says advanced training. So there's, like I said, there's actually more than 352, along with 20 bonus videos, a lot of Word documents, and a lot of PDF books. And don't forget, this $1 million trade plan, I got a guy actually going to start it this Friday. And his goal is to turn $1,000 into $1 million by Christmas. So in other words, starting with $1,000, I do recommend $2,000 or $3,000, give you a little bit of wiggle room, but that's where within 10 months, which will be Christmas at the end of the year, you turn that $1,000 into $1 million. So I'm glad to see that some people are actually giving it a go. And you only need one trade a day, and all you need is 10 pips. And as you saw on this trade here, I got 40 pips. So pip trigger is producing the pips, and once you master the pip trigger, you can easily do the $1 million trade plan. And there are many ways to trade, and there are many systems out there. So I have a lot of systems, and I have a lot of training and education on how to trade each and every one of them. There's well over 20 gigabytes. So it'll keep you busy for 3 or 4 weeks going through all the videos. But once you master it, you'll be, you know, hopefully like me, a very happy trader. So if you have any questions about the pip trigger and or the $1 million trade plan, feel free to get in touch with me. You can call my cell directly. Here's my number. And then there's a Skype ID. It's Forex_Nelson. And through screen sharing, I can show you a lot more about the PIP trigger, and I can answer all your questions. And of course, you can always shoot me an email also. I do reply quite quickly, usually within less than an hour. It just depends on if I'm talking to somebody or whatever. So anyhow, that just about wraps up this video, as I've got to do another advanced training video. Today was an excellent day, and I have a lot of good tips and tricks to do with the pound pairs today. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, till the next trade and video, good luck with your trading.